the truck might break down, but we'll get to the job. What's up, man? How's it going? How you been? I've been good. So these are all?
Yeah, all the cans are right there.
Okay. All right, yeah, we'll just start with the outside and I'll just ask him then. All right, man.
I think he'll be here in a couple minutes or so.
All right, thanks. Let's count them. This is a lot.
51.
Oh, snap. All right, we got 51. I'm gonna reverse the truck. I'm gonna put it right here so we don't have to like move them so much. This is a big one, y'all. This is lit. Ooh, baby, kill them. Ooh, 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 ooh. Right here. This is empty. Don't mind this. Cause it's all dirt here. So I could just put it like right here. Let me see. Yeah, and go.
Wax on, wax off.
Yeah, wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off.
Alright, so I'm gonna clean the whole outside and the inside, and then I'm gonna give you them, and then you're just gonna wipe it down.
Clean ones. You want me to move down there or?
You could just keep moving them down, yeah, right here. And then as soon as we get it empty, we just put them back. What time is it? Let's see how long it takes us. 8:04. All right, we're gonna do a time lapse. Are you very good? If they're not, if there's some things that don't come out, yeah, just let me know and then I'll just hit it again. He said his stomach gets in the way when he tries to get inside the bin, so he gotta hit his stomach in. Which one? What does it smell like? Ooh, yeah, that one's gonna have to go back up on the lift. So right now we're gonna just go over each one and then try to get them smelling good, smelling fresh, each single one. All right, we started at 8. It is 9:45. We finished. Yes, sir, baby. All right, guys, we finished that we started at 8 o'clock and we finished exactly at 9:45. That's not bad, right?
Not bad.
All right, what do you think? What do you think about the job?
It's a good job. It's fun.
Were you getting a good workout?
Yeah, man, I feel like I lost like 1 pound. I feel good.
He was losing 1 pound every 5 minutes.
Heck yeah.
He's big pump. That was the biggest single job that we have got. Getting connected with Waste Management, I would highly recommend. We're cleaning bins in bulk for them a lot. The season just started warming up a little bit down here, and I hope that they call us for more. The more that they grow, the more that we grow. And then we actually made a contract with them, an agreement that they can use us telling their new customers that they get 2 free cleanings a year, which they're gonna pay us directly. So it's good for us because we got more exposure just from this one company. So now imagine if you go to all the Waste Management near you and hopefully make a good deal, you get a lot of customers. We've been on a grind this year. I think this year is gonna be it. This year is gonna be the year right here. I'm ready. I'm pumped. Let's get it. Appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.